Hi everyone, this is Gurwinder. I'm a sales consultant at Carlisle Homes. Here I am today at Cloverton Display in Astoria Grand 45. Happy Holi to everyone. Holi is all about coming together as a family and celebrating with colors. I will be showing you guys this special drink we make on Holi. It's called Thandai. So Thandai is this traditional refreshing drink which is made on Holi. I remember as a kid my mother used to make this and she would use the cashew nuts, she'll use the rose petals, she'll use the pistachios, fennel seeds, cardamom and bit of the saffron. So we would usually make a paste out of these ingredients and we keep it in the fridge overnight and then on the day you can mix it with the milk actually as a refreshing drink. So I'll be making the paste here now, bringing all the ingredients together. I'm going to put all the ingredients in here to blend, and then we put a little bit of water to get a bit of a consistency and smoothness. Now the paste is ready, so we'll be putting the milk in here. I'll be putting one more glass of milk in here. So our drink is ready now, and what I love about this house is having this butler's pantry tucked away at the back. I'm going to pour the drink in the glasses. I guess one of the good features with this house is having 3 kitchen bench tops. It provides you ample of storage with everything in the reach. So our drink is ready to enjoy now. I wish you all happy Holi again. To visit and experience this house in person, you're welcome to visit me at Cloverton Display. This is Astoria Grand 45. To visit the recipe, please go to our website carlislehomes.com.au. And happy Holi once again.